Hi there! So here is the Mi Sports Bluetooth Earphones. They're currently selling on mi.com for 1499 rupees. Xiaomi claims it has 9 hours of battery life, dynamic bass and IPX4 sweat and splash resistant. Wow, that's extremely tempting. So should you buy this? Well, let's find out. I'll also be doing a giveaway of this product, so watch this video till the end. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. The Mi Sports are a pair of Bluetooth earphones connected by wire with the inline battery and controls. The earbuds are made of good quality plastic and are extremely durable. Included in the box are extra ear tips so they can fit every ear depending on size. Also included is a charging wire. Unfortunately, it's micro USB. It would be great to see USB-C on these. Coming to the earphones. They have these ear hooks or wingtips, whatever you like to call them, which hold the earphones perfectly. They managed to make a very good seal in my ear, could barely hear anything from outside. If you don't like that seal, you can use the other ear tips which will let in some ambient sound. The wire of the earphones that goes around your neck is of perfect length. Some are unusually long. Damn, that's so irritating. These are just perfect. There is also a small clip in the box if you want to shorten or adjust the length further. It's of great help when you are running or working out at the gym. Here are the controls and the mic. Small, light and clean. Soft silicone tactile buttons. Volume up and volume down, and the center button is for pause, play and function button. This can also activate the Google Assistant. You can charge the earphones from here using the micro USB cable provided in the box. So I've worn them 2 hours at a stretch and I've had no discomfort at all. They fit perfectly. They don't fall off and they hold on very steadily thanks to the ear hooks which give them a nice grip. Also worth mentioning, these are IPX4, splash and sweat resistant. So those who sweat a lot in the gym, these ones are perfect for you. And splash resistant as in if you're going for a jog and you're sweating and it's drizzling a little, it will be able to take it easily. But of course, submersion underwater or fully making it wet, not recommended. These are splash resistant, not water resistant. Let's talk about the sound quality. So however good the features are, the comfort or the battery life, eventually it comes down to the sound quality. Headphones, earphones, if the sound quality is not good, all these features don't matter at all. Xiaomi claims it's got dynamic bass. So how does it perform? Well, to tell you the truth, it doesn't disappoint. The bass is actually excellent. It's quite balanced. It doesn't muffle up the mids and the highs, and that's the best part. It stands out and the thump is wonderful. Now, I'm no audiophile expert. I stream music online, I watch YouTube videos, I play some games, I watch some videos, and they all sound excellent. The sound is really impressive. Though the volume doesn't go up very loud, it's loud. It's loud enough for most of you, but it's not going to go out blazing high. It goes out enough for most of us. Also, there's no audio leak or bleed, as you can say, so when you're wearing them, person sitting right next to you will not be able to hear. And of course, at full volume also, there is no sound distortion. So overall, the audio quality and the experience is brilliant. So how's the battery life? Well, the battery life claimed by Xiaomi on the box is 9 hours long. But that would be probably at 50-60% volume. I got around 5.5 to 6 hours of battery life, but I would be listening to around 80 to 90% of the full volume, which I think is still good. 5.5-6 hours on a single charge is actually quite impressive. It took around 1.5 to 2 hours or 1.5 to 1 hour 45 minutes to fully charge it, but then it worked for 6 hours flat. Perfectly great. I used them for phone calls and indoors they did a great job. No problem at all. But outdoors in a noisy environment, the opposite person did have trouble hearing me. Should you buy these? So if you're looking to buy Bluetooth earphones under 2000 rupees, these are perfect. Frankly, the pricing is spectacular. Good sound quality, sweat resistant, 6 hours battery life, deep bass, comfortable, lightweight, absolutely fabulous. So its only drawback being that it's mostly out of stock and getting one is actually a task. Well, here's your chance to win one. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to do a giveaway of the Mi Sports Bluetooth earphones, and here's how you do it. You go to the link in the description and you click on the giveaway link, and you will have to like this video, leave a comment in this video, subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, then it'll take you to my Twitter page, follow me on Twitter, Go to my Instagram page, follow me on Instagram, and that's it. I will be announcing one winner on 30th of May 2019 on my Twitter handle as well as on my YouTube community. And trust me guys, you don't want to miss this one. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to comment in this video so you have a better chance in the giveaway. And of course, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.